Hello friends, in today's video I'll show you the latest trick I have been using to get unlimited TD followers for free. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword Zefoy. Scroll down and select the read more below the post. Now scroll down twice and select the blue button. Paste in your TT username and profile link, then select any amount of followers of your choice. As you can see, our followers was sent successfully. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.